Good morning. It's Friday, August 14th. I'm on top of the roof of ASA, looking down at the back where one of the portables, we're getting the steps built to it and a ramp. So that's happening out in back of ASA Adams. Out in front of ASA Adams, work continues getting the front part of the school ready for, I assume, some concrete and the future foundation where the new building will be. You can see quite a bit's been dug. I guess that's in the shape of the new building. So, soon to come. Have a good day, everybody.
You can see here they've started to install the retention pond that's going to be on the front of the school. You can see they're preparing the area and have begun to work on this. Lots of stuff happening here earlier this week. They also had to come across Goodridge with a connection to a drain that's over on the other side. So Goodridge was just closed for one day, but it's back open now. So this area is going to be really taking up the bottom of the hill here. And St. Mary's Field will be still accessible and fully uninterrupted by this. So it'll just take up this area that sometimes our middle schoolers use to sled. So things are happening with this part of the project, and we'll keep you updated. So what you're seeing here is a picture of the OMS OHS CAF. You can see there's been a wall built in front of what was the stage, because behind that wall they're going to start doing work on transforming the band room into the new kitchen for the space. So just want to give you a picture of what's happening inside OHS so you can begin imagining what you're coming back to.
Because I care about myself and others.